start by asking you to just close your eyes. I want you to think about the weight of a coffee cup in your hand as you bring it to your mouth. Now open your eyes. For most of us, that seems really easy. However, for someone with muscular dystrophy, this is a near-on impossible task. So today, I would like to share with you how we started MyoFab. And 4 months ago, my world was crashing down around me when the doctors told us we were losing our daughter to polycystic kidney disease. A week later, we're in the clinic and the specialist is telling us there's nothing they can do for her. And at this point, they said that the future, there potentially will be the opportunity to 3D print kidneys and your daughter would live a normal, healthy life. So I'm not a kidney specialist, but I am a muscle specialist. And the same kind of problems that exist for kidney disease exist in muscle, that we need to be able to 3D print muscle. So MyoFab was set up to 3D print customized muscle for people with muscle wasting conditions, to give them back small parts of their independence. We'll do this by taking patients' own muscle cells. We'll be correcting the genetic problems that are underlying the conditions, and then we'll be weaving them back into a muscle structure that then can be transplanted back into human patients. Now, how do we know there's an appetite for something like this out there? Well, 2 years ago, we ran a crowdfunding campaign with the social science and a very charismatic young gentleman named Daniel. Now, Daniel has muscular dystrophy, and his natural humour shone through, and in the space of 24 hours, we were able to gain 30,000 unique views of our video and raise $17,000, which is pretty good. However, does this really translate into a business? Well, we think it does. And when we've looked at the addressable market, there's potentially $2 billion out there for us to tackle. So why am I here today in front of you? Well, every year that we delay in bringing this product to market is a year that people like Daniel are unable to pick up a TV remote, play simple computer games, and that's a really important part of their independence. So what I'm here to do is to ask for both investment and expertise that can help us bring this kind of solution to people like Daniel quicker. So MyoFab's going to be 3D printing an exciting future for people with muscular dystrophy so that they can pick up a coffee cup. And that's probably really great for in a city like Melbourne where coffee is the central culture. Thank you for listening, guys.